Did you know? Some of the most eye-catching VSL's video ads and commercials you see today are created with AI. These AI-powered ads and commercials aren't new. Brands have been quietly using them for years. But now, thanks to all new AI technology, these exact same tools are available to everyone. So the next question is, are you going to start using AI to create ads for your business? Or maybe even turn it into a skill and get paid creating VSL's video ads and commercials for others? Imagine being able to create these high-quality AI-generated product ads, scroll-stopping video commercials, and professional marketing content without expensive equipment or big production teams. With the right AI tools, you can do it faster, easier, and smarter than ever before. If you're serious about VSLs, AI commercials, ad creation, and AI-generated product promos, and would like to see a demo of exactly what's possible, visit the AI Flyboys content creators over at AIwithus.live.